Arjuna. Biba Balarama. Biba Balarama. Sika Chitragupta. Sika Chitragupta. Dida Dasharatha. Rama's Appa Dasharatha. Dida Dasharatha. Ekalavya. Ekalavya. F Phanishwar. Jiga Gajendra. Jiga Gajendra. நீங்களாம் சத்தமா சொல்லணும், எனக்கு அர்த்தமா சொல்லணும், சரியா? H Harichandra. Harichandra never tell lies. பொய்யே சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. அவ்வளவு பெரிய கிங். பொய் சொல்லுங்கன்னு கெஞ்சி கேட்டு he made him do a pauper. He still never tell lies. Why? Such a great person in our country. Such a great country we are. Such a great country we had. Great kings we had. H Harichandra. I Indra. Parents the question. Who is Indra? Lord of rain. Lord of rain. Very good. Lord of thunder. Lord of rain. Very good. Jeja Jatayu. Jeja Jatayu. Keka Karna. Keka Karna. L Lakshmana. L Lakshmana. M Maruti. M Maruti. N Nakula. N Nakula. O Omkar. Omkar. Deepa Prahalad. Deepa Prahalad. Kyukwa Kantran. Kyukwa Kantran. Son of Surya. Okay. Rajarishi. Rajarishi. S Shakuni. We also have Shakuni inside us. What is Shakuni? Bad thinking, bad talking, revenge character. That is bad in us. Even we have Shakuni. Actually, Shakuni is a very good man. Okay? So, if being bad, can we be bad? No. As Shakuni. Peter. Taraketu. You are Ushapati. You are Ushapati. Vivu Vyasa. Vivu Vyasa. W Vamika. Another Devi. Okay. Vamika. X Kshetrapati. X Kshetrapati. Vaya Yaksha. Vaya Yaksha. Z Jashwant. Z Jashwant. Hope you all like it. A to Z in our very own terms of mythological character of Hinduism. Okay, thank you. Tiruchitrambalam.